Hey guys, as you can see, today I'm unboxing this Redmi Note 9 Pro Max. I bought this phone a few days back and thought of unboxing it. So this is the box. It mentions some of the features over here. And this is the side of the box which has only Redmi Note 9 Pro Max written on the both sides. In the back, we see some specifications written over here, which mentions Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G processor, then a 64 megapixel AI quad camera, 6.67-inch dot display full HD plus display, and a 33-watt fast charger. And this is the interstellar black color with the 6 GB RAM and 128 GB memory. You also get the option of 6 GB and 64 GB, as well as I guess 8 GB and 256 GB. So let's open the box. Let's keep it aside, and we get this pouch. Inside this we get a SIM ejector tool and a phone cover. Phone cover here is a dark gray color cover, and the quality of the cover is very poor. As you can see, Xiaomi should make the covers a bit thicker, and so that it provides more protection to the phone. And here also we have some documentation. So let's open this area. So this is a paper, and here is our mobile phone. So let's open this one up. So this is the phone. This is a 6.67-inch full HD plus dot display, as it has an camera dot over here, which comprises of the 32 megapixel selfie camera. And this is the interstellar black color, but it looks a bit grayish in my sense. And here's the 64 megapixel main camera with the 8 megapixel ultra wide camera, and a 5 megapixel macro shot camera, and a 2 megapixel depth sensor for the portrait shots. Inside here we get a 5020 mAh battery, and must be somewhere, I guess, Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G processor, which should be a very powerful processor. And on the sides we have this power button with volume up and down switch. This power button doubles up as a fingerprint sensor. On this side we have the SIM tray. On the bottom we get a speaker grill with type C charger. This phone gets a type C charging slot, and the main 3.5 mm headphone jack, and here we get this. So this is how the phone looks, and let's boot up the phone and keep this aside for a second. And so this is the main thing. So this is a 33-watt charger. So this is the 33-watt charger, which will charge up the device. 5020 mAh battery of the device in just means it will charge up the 50% of the battery in just 30 minutes. So this is a very heavy plug, whatever you want to say. And this is the type C cable. Don't get earphones or something in this box. So this is the Pro Max version, and there also comes a Redmi Note 9 Pro, in which almost everything is the same. The display quality is the same, display size is the same, the size of the phone, battery, everything is the same. The only difference that exists is the 64 megapixel main camera over here. In the Pro model you get a 48 megapixel main camera, and here we get, in the Pro Max version we get 32 megapixel selfie camera, which in Pro version we get a 16 megapixel. And this is the most important thing, the fast charger. We get 33 watt fast charger with the Pro Max, whereas with the Pro version we get a 18 watt charger. So as this has a huge battery, I think the fast charger is a necessity over here, as it will very quickly, within a few hour and a half, charge the complete device. So this is a very unique thing. We have the fingerprint sensor on the power button. The phone has been booted, and let's see, display quality is very good. So I just booted up the phone, and I haven't yet connected any Wi-Fi, so I don't know whether we have got any updates for the phone or not. But the display is very bright, and the picture quality is very crisp, and by viewing at different angles also, I don't know how much justice it makes in this camera, but I think it's really very good display. The only thing we have to see is how it produces the light in sunlight, when in the bright sunlight. We also get some third-party apps, as this is Me UI. So I think we can uninstall all of this. I think we can uninstall all of the bloatwares like this and uninstall. Okay, so it can be removed, so no problem. So let's get into the settings and see what is the security patch and the Android version on this phone. So here we go to about phone, and we see, let's see, Redmi Note 9 Pro Max MIUI version 11, which I think will get a version 12 update. Android version 10. So this gets Android 10, and storage is 128 GB, and from the box we get March security patch. Let's see the camera. How's the camera? Let's see how the camera functions. So this is the camera of the phone. This produces very good pictures. The shutter lag is very less. It clicks the images very fast, and we have a lot of options here, as HDR, AI, and many more, like the 64 megapixel ultra HD shot, or a portrait, or a night camera, panorama pro. We have video mode and short video mode, which requires internet connection, and a slow motion also. So this phone has a lot of options. And let's see this photo. The photo looks very good, as I didn't focus on the object, so but still, look at the picture, it's very crisp, and the camera works very well. And So for as long as I have used this phone, I haven't got any ads till now, but I have to use it extensively so as to know what is the scene of this phone with ads and all. So this is it. This is my unboxing video for the Redmi Note 9 Pro Max. Let me know if you like this video, and if you like the video, don't forget to like the video. Comment down below what do you think about this phone. Thank you.